Hello, I am Dustin Miller, PolyInnovator, and I created a swimming newsletter. So I've already been creating content for about a decade, but more so than that, throughout this past decade, throughout all the time I've been writing, creating videos, and podcasting, I've also been teaching swim lessons, and I've also been working in a pool in general, water aerobics, water boot camp, lifeguarding, all that jazz. And so in this time, I've learned the various ways of teaching different individuals, whether they are fearful, whether they are not fearful, but they just need to learn the information. Every student's different, and teaching differently for every student is very important. Now, the key thing about that is understanding the why, how, and what of swimming, or really any subject, actually, for that matter. But swimming in particular, I think about it in the way of philosophy, physics, and psychology. And so usually, 99% of the time, if a student is trying to learn swimming, it usually comes down to one of those three things, right? They either are fearful, so it's psychology, or they panic a lot because of the breathing, so psychology, or physically, they need more strength or learn the actual physical movements to actually go through the water and move. Or finally, it comes down to the philosophy. Why do we do the things we do? Why don't we smack our hands against the water? Why don't we look up? Why do we do certain things? That kind of thing. And so when I created this newsletter, I thought about that in mind for each episode, or I shouldn't say episode, for each newsletter update. I create this why, how, and what, and I just share some information on a certain topic, the topic of that newsletter for that week. I already have 70 ideas lined up for the next year or so, and plenty after. And it's all leading up to the release of my How to Swim book as well. So both the newsletter and the book is about the hydrodynamics and philosophy of swimming, and I hope you come enjoy. I hope you come check it out. Link is in the description. Cheers.